Today we celebrate the feast of St. Boniface. Boniface lived during the 7th and 8th centuries. Let me tell you a little bit about his life and then offer a reflection about him. Boniface, known as the Apostle of the Germans, was an English Benedictine monk who gave up being elected abbot to devote his life to the conversion of the Germanic tribes. Two characteristics stand out about him: his Christian orthodoxy and his fidelity to the Pope. How absolutely necessary this orthodoxy and fidelity were is borne out by the conditions Boniface found on his first missionary journey in the year 719 at the request of Pope Gregory II. Paganism there was a way of life. The little Christianity he did find had either lapsed into paganism or was mixed with error. The clergy were mainly responsible for these latter conditions, since they were in many instances uneducated, lax, and questionably obedient to their bishops. In particular instances, even their very ordinations were questionable. These are the conditions that Boniface reported in the year 722 on his first return visit to Rome. The Holy Father instructed him to reform the German church. The Pope sent letters of recommendation to religious and civil leaders there. Boniface later admitted that his work would have been unsuccessful without a letter of safe conduct from Charles Martel, the powerful Frankish ruler of what is now France, the grandfather of Charlemagne. Boniface was finally made a regional bishop and authorized to organize the whole German church, at which he was eminently successful. During a final mission to the Frisians, Boniface and 53 companions were martyred while he was preparing converts for confirmation. Boniface bears out the Christian rule: to follow Christ is to follow the way of the cross. For Boniface, it was not only physical suffering or death, but the painful, thankless, bewildering task of church reform. Missionary glory is often thought of in terms of bringing new persons to Christ. It seems, but is not, less glorious to heal the household of the faith. Thank you for watching and listening today. Have a wonderful and safe day.